All right, we've had a question come in here from Rob. So Rob says he saw in Jira that people use sprints. What's that all about? Is this the Usain Bolt doing in retirement? Yeah, it's a funny concept, sprints, and it is difficult to get your head around. So a sprint is a period of time, and so what the sprints are designed to do is to keep people working hard and fast, and not focus on product milestones. Rather, focus on what can they get done in a small period of time. So usually you'll have a 2 week sprint, sometimes a 1 week sprint, where you every week you're in as a team and you do your sprint planning, and the goal of that is to list out what can you get done in that period of time, and then when you check in on that, you can all be proud of the work you've done. You can challenge yourself in the next sprint. Traditionally, with product milestones or traditional tasks that you work towards, you can be really focused and fixated on just getting that bit of project done. And generally, they're longer time frames than sprints, and so you can lose motivation. Whereas the sprint, which is agile terminology, can lead to better motivation, more rewards during the project, and regular check-ins with the team. Often you'll have team members working a really, really long task. You won't hear from them for weeks. You get back and you're totally misaligned, whereas regular sprints, you can stay aligned with them.